welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. We are going to dive straight into today's video, but before we do that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and can be a part of my YouTube family. We are going to talk about 5 beauty products that I absolutely love, my favorite beauty product, and also a must-have beauty product and a beauty product that I cannot live without and you should not live without. The first product I'm going to show you is primer. Primer is a must-have. Anybody who is into beauty, you all have to have this in your makeup bag or your handbag or any bag that you use. Even if you do not wear makeup, you should apply primer before you go out there or after your skincare. If you have pores or big pores, you should use the poreless one. If you're oily, you can use the mattifying primers. And if you do not wear makeup, you can apply this on and it's going to make your face look nice and smooth. This one is from NYX and it's pore filler. It is actually quite good. I don't have that many pores, but I do have a couple on this side of my face, so I always apply this on under my makeup. I sometimes use this primer as well from L'Oreal. This is very good, and both of these primers are very affordable. For those of you living in the UK, you can get them from Superdrug, you can get them from Boots, from any beauty stores. Primer is definitely a must-have. If you do not own a primer, what are you doing? Where have you been? You need a primer in your bag. The second product that I am going to show you guys is a mascara. This one, for me, it is very important. And if I'm going out and I do not have a makeup on, I try to always put a mascara on. Mascara is a must-have. Mascara I cannot live without and you should not live without. This one is from Maybelline New York and it's a Colossal Big Shot Daring Black. This is the one that I've been getting into lately. It's so good. It makes my eyelashes a little bit thicker and quite long. A couple of years back when I went on holiday, I had eyelash extension done, and can you imagine these people used real glue? When I came back, I couldn't take it off. I had to take it to a beauty place for them to remove it for me, and when they took it off, guess what? My whole eyelashes came off, and since then my eyelashes hasn't been growing, and when they grow, they just grow very thin and very fine. They don't grow really long like how they were before, but it's okay. A mascara for me is a must-have. Those of you who are not blessed or were born with eyelashes, this is a good one to use. Mascara is a must-have. You should have it and I should have it. The third beauty product and one of my favorite products is pressed powder, a setting powder. If you are a makeup wearer, you should definitely have this. If you're very oily, you can use this to block out the oils, and also when you finish your makeup, you can use this to go over your makeup. It will just smooth and blend all the makeup in and everything in really nicely. So this is the powder from Benefit that I've actually been into at the moment. That's the front and this is the back. The Hello Happy Velvet Powder Foundation and it's shade 11. This is how the box looks like, and the back is very compact. It's very nice. There it is. There it is. If you're not a makeup wearer, or if you don't have time and you're going to work but you just want to look put together, you can just use just a pressed powder. I prefer pressed powder because loose powder for me, they're quite messy and I do not like the way they look. They look quite chalky on my skin and quite powdery, and I do not like that. But the pressed ones for me tend to give me a very good finish. You can just put the powder on your face without foundation and you are good to go, and you can just go out there and conquer the world. A powder is definitely a must-have. You should have it and I should have it in my makeup bag. The fourth beauty product that I'm going to show you is a lip gloss. Now this one here is very important. Makeup lovers, non-makeup lovers, kids can wear lip gloss. If you want to look put together but you do not have time to put lipstick on, you can own one of these lip gloss. Just bang it on and all of a sudden you're gonna look put together. Lip glosses are very flirty. They look flirty, they look sultry, they look very sexy, glamorous when you apply lip gloss on an everyday basis. I normally use a lip gloss because I do not have time to put lipstick on, so I have one of these in my bag. I have one of these in my makeup bag and I just bang it on. And also for the winter season, the lips can get a little bit dry and choppy and nobody's got time for dry lips here, no cracked lips here. The one that I've got here is from e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss and the shade is Mocha Twist. It's got a little bit of tingly in there, and I like that sensation. So the fourth must-have beauty product is definitely a lip gloss. You should own one. If you do not have this in your makeup bag, what are you doing? All these products are not very expensive. They're very affordable. You can get these from Superdrug. The fourth beauty product that is a must-have. Now this one here, I believe everybody needs this. You want to know what I'm talking about? Before I show you, can you guys guess what it is? Please let me know in the comment bar if you can guess what I'm about to tell you. The last beauty product that I'm going to show you. If you know what it is, please let me know. Let me know in my comment bar below. The fifth beauty product, my absolute fave product that I can't live without, a must-have product for you and a must-have product for me, is an eyebrow pencil. I believe that eyebrow is one of the most important features on a woman's face. Do you agree with me, guys? When I put my eyebrow on, it just frames my face. It just changes my face. I look like I'm ready to go out there and conquer the world. I walk with my head up. Nobody can say nothing to me. The eyebrow pen I've been using lately is, this one is from Benefit, the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm sure everybody knows about this one. This one is very good. But the one I've got here is not the color that I want. I normally like the dark brown one because I like the way it looks on my eye. It goes better with my hair color. But the one that I've been using is this one, and it's from Rimmel, and it's the Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer, and it's number 212 Rich Brown. Now this one here is so good. This one is only £3.99 from Superdrug, from Boots, from any beauty supply stores. Very affordable, they're not very expensive. This is my fifth product, a must-have product. You guys should have it too. If you're not blessed with thick eyebrows, then you should always put one of these on, and I can promise you it will change your life. It will change your entire life. If you want your eyebrows to be laid, you can also put an eyebrow gel on. This one that I've got here is from Rimmel. It's Born This Way Brow Styling Gel with Argan Oil. This one has argan oil in there. So you can just apply it on and it will lay your eyebrow. It will make your eyebrow look laid. If you feel more comfortable wearing eyelashes, you can also bang an eyelashes on. Because it's daytime, I have put my eyelashes on now, but I've put quite a natural looking one. Eyelashes is very beautiful. It makes you look cute. It makes you look just gorgeous. That's what I believe anyway. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, share this video, like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you guys.